Many students are falling out of love with mathematics in Liberia because of several factors. One of the reasons is that some students just do not have the motivation to study mathematics. Another reason would be that institutions responsible for providing support for emerging mathematics students are not available. So in Liberia, you do not have an institution that will encourage, motivate, and provide support for students who want to study math. So for that reason, many students fall out of love for mathematics. We believe here at Math Science Hub that it is our responsibility to try in our own way to encourage or motivate students to get involved into the mathematical sciences. Solve the equation x raised to the power of x raised to the power of x equals x raised to the power of x or raised to the power of x. Now, I encountered this problem when I was in 12th grade, basically from a high school algebra book. So I want to give this problem a shot again after solving it since 7 years ago. If you have a raised to the power of m and everything raised to the power of n, so there is a rule from indices that says you should multiply out the two powers. So m times n is mn. Now, x raised to the x or raised to the x, what do you think that will be? Good, x raised to the power of x squared. So I'm going to write x raised to the power of x raised to the power of x equals x raised to the power of x times x is x squared. Good. This is sufficient to use one of the most basic properties we know about. If b raised to the x is equals to b raised to the y, it implies that x equals to y. Simple. If the bases are the same, you equal the power, provided that b is not 0, right? So if the bases are the same, we equal the power. So this implies that x raised to the power of x is equals to x squared. Good. So now you might want to do the exact same thing here. I want to say x is equals to 2 is the solution to this problem. Yes, it is a solution, but there is another solution. And let's see what would that be. To solve this problem, instead of using this property, I'm going to take the natural log on both sides. So I'll have the ln of x to the x is equals to the ln of x squared. This power goes behind the logarithm. So there is another rule that says that if you have our ln of a, this is written as ln of a raised to the power of r. So ln of a raised to the r can be written as r ln a. So I'm going to use that right here. So this is x ln x equals to, and this goes 2 ln x. Great. Now I don't want to lose a root here, so I'm not going to divide both sides by ln of x. I'm going to send 2 ln of x across the equal sign and perform some little algebra. So x ln x minus 2 ln x equals to 0. Cool, right? And now at this junction, I'm going to factor out the greatest common factor of x ln x and 2 ln x. As you can see, it is ln x. So ln of x, parenthesis open, this is going to be x minus 2 equals to 0. How did I get the x minus 2? X ln x divided by ln x is just x, and 2 ln x divided by ln x is just 2. Now at this junction, I will use the zero product property. So the zero product property basically states that for the product of two numbers a and b to be 0, it's either a equal to 0 or b equal to 0, or both a and b equal to 0. So I'm going to take ln x equal to 0 or x minus 2 equal to 0. Right? Now, if ln of x equal to 0, how do I solve for x? So if ln of x is equal to 0, to solve for x is to take the exponent of e, is to exponentiate both sides. So it's e and e. So this is going to be x equals to e raised to the power of 0. And you are taught that a number raised to the power of 0, with the exception of 0, is equal to 1. So e raised to the power 0 is 1. So x equals 1 is one of the solutions to this problem. But another solution will be to solve for x here. So x will be equals to 2. So we found two solutions to this problem. X equals to, I'm going to use this set notation, this brace, 1, 2 is the solution to this problem. Now, by dividing each term by adding x here, you are going to lose a root. One of the roots of this equation is x equal to 1. You have lost that. Feel free to give this problem a try using another method of solution, and let's see how far you go. Thank you very much, and do not forget to follow us on Facebook, subscribe to our channel on YouTube, and follow us on TikTok. Bye bye.